This is how I went from $300 to a Surron. So first, I scanned all over Marketplace and I found this Droyd Berserker listed up for only $300. Even though it is broken, I knew it was gonna be an easy fix. So I went and drove an hour in horrible traffic to pick this up.
Sorry it's dirty, it was like low-key outside. The bike like turns on, like you can see the screen like makes that beeping shit and then can't figure it out, you know?
Nothing looked horrible. So we gave him the cash and then Mario trolled him for a little bit.
Can I like ride in the back with you? My middle name is Willie. So YouTube is the fourth bike that we stolen for the day.
If you guys want to buy both, I'll give you a little deal.
How much?
So on this day, we had 3 bikes in the bed. So we just loaded the bike up in the rear seat.
Damn,
And surprisingly, it fit pretty well. So we done the deal and we're gonna take it back to the workshop.
Have fun trying to fix that shit, bro.
Thank you. Alright guys, so we finally got the bike in the shop and it's pretty dusty. Like, it's not in its best condition. So after we fix this bike up, we're just gonna clean it up and we'll diagnose what's happening right now. So let's do it. So as you hear right there, that's the auto learn mode. And we're just gonna take off the rear wheel because you don't want load when it's on auto learn mode. So we'll do that right now. Oh man, the spacers, huh? Okay, so I got the Far Driver app pulled up on here. Let's just connect the controller to this. So I gotta turn it on first. There we go, now we're connected. But I just gotta hold the throttle, let it do its thing, and then it should be good to go. Alright guys, so we got it working. But now, we have to put everything back together and I don't know where these spacers go. I'm gonna have a fun time. I don't need Camera Joe's help yet. Alright, I do. It works! Now let's ride it. What a sound. But before I actually take it out, I want to rinse all that dirty dust off. Alright guys, I got the pressure washer out. It's pretty hot out right now. So I'm just gonna spray the sky a little bit, cool down right there, straight into my face. Alright, now we can get the Droid Berserker. And it's now ready for a ride out.
Bike literally just turned on.
Actually, kill switch?
Look at the screen.
What? Bro, you did too many stoppies.
I'm fucked.
Yeah, so the bike broke down when he did a lot of stoppies. I found the problem. As you can see right there, the wire came off the breaker. So I attached it back to where it belongs.
Before I put this all back in and go through all that trouble, I'm just gonna test it out, test the torque out right now. So turn it on. Bike turns on now.
And it actually runs. And better yet, it has more torque.
There we go, problem fixed. Now it's time to sell it.
So the guy did not want to be recorded, but I sold this thing for $800. I had $1,000 laying around from other flips, and I found this Surron off of Facebook Marketplace for only $1,800. But there is a catch. It has a broken battery and I don't even know if the bike itself works. I still bought it anyways. Alright guys, so we are gonna pick up the Surron for $1,800 right here. We got the cash. So I'm just gonna go pick it up right now. So we arrived at the place to pick up the Surron. We did not know what to expect. And there we went inside. And then we made it out with the Surron. Oh yeah, we got the Surron right here. We then loaded it up onto the bed. Alright, can you give me the strap? got some sweet and nice tacos.
Alright y'all, so we got some tacos as a celebration for the Ron. There it is in the bed of the truck. So we're gonna take it back and fix this thing. Let's go! We got the Surron Live EX again, and this time I didn't get scammed like last time.
Is the battery. Look at this. What the heck is this? Like,
And at least I didn't get it for 2.45K like last time, so definitely way better. But the battery does not work, so let me get the battery right now. So the guy says this thing doesn't charge. It's probably just because he drained it too much. It's at 0% right now, so let's see if it charges.
so I tried to force charge the battery, and at this point, I knew there was a much deeper issue with this battery. So I dug deeper, took off the battery lid, I checked the voltages, and one of the cell groups was at 0 volts. I took the whole battery out, inspected it even further, and then I found a broken piece of wire inside of the battery. This happens when you ride it pretty harsh, but it's an easy fix. All I have to do is put this wire back together. So I did just that, and then it charges.
Alright, let's turn this thing on. Lights on, as you can see right there. Batteries charged to 57%. It works!
But now, I need to clean up the bike a little bit to make it look better and more rideable. So after I cleaned that, the kickstand felt horrible, so I just put some oil in it, and now it's smooth. And it seems like there's a reason why this guy listed it up on Facebook. Next, I want to make this bike look a little bit cleaner. So I'm going to take the cosmetics off of the side right here, and then I'm going to replace it with these grips. So I'm going to get the first grip off, and the second grip. Now the first one on, and the second. But now there's one more problem with this bike. The horn doesn't work.
Alright, I think this thing is why it was not working. Look at how many webs are in here. Ew! There's a whole cocoon in here. Alright, so seems like the horn is working. It's just a button that's not doing its job, as you can see. I'm gonna try to clean this thing out and hope it works. This thing is really dark, so I'm just gonna clean it out and the horn should work. Alright, y'all, we are on the rebuilt Surron.
Oh my god!
The brakes are so bad.
I know, I did not trust it. I only power wheelied it. I'm surprised you went to balance point.
And this thing is doing, it just feels like a Surron. An old Surron. This thing feels, I don't know. Now that I've tried many other bikes, the old Surron feels pretty weak now. I mean, it does have some torque, but it's not like surprising. Suspension not too bad. You see, so the verdict is that this thing works well, it goes well. We lost quite a few percent actually, 5% from that ride. It's not a big deal. It's how it is on older Rons. But look at this, I literally just touched it up with only spray paint and it looks great right here. I don't know if I should get a seat cover or not though.
You should.
Yeah, so I got that seat right there, threw the old seat away, put it on, and now it's ready to sell. I also did not record this part because I don't really feel comfortable recording people when I'm selling stuff, but I will make sure to do it next time. I got 2200 from that. Subscribe. Bye.